here's how you can allow Telegram to access photos on the iPhone. So let me explain that fully. And if it's your first time here on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So having the Telegram app is a prerequisite, and you can check out the main settings app of the phone, not in the Telegram app, but like the main settings app, where at the bottom you can find the apps section. This shows you a list of every single installed app, so naturally scroll through it, find the T section, alphabetical order, and open up Telegram and see if you can enable the photos access. It's possible that you'll be able to see it right there and choose between a no access, limited, and full access. So if that's the case, you can find it right away and enable it, no problem. But if you do not see it, that means that the app has not even requested or didn't even need to access the photos. That's why it doesn't even give you the option in the settings. So to sort of initiate the photos access, you have to get inside the Telegram app and perhaps get inside of your chats or whatever you happen to be and try to post a photo. Because once you start that and once you get to the stage where you actually need to access the photos, you're going to get a pop-up asking you if you actually want to allow it or not. And once you click one of these options, then it's going to appear in the settings for you to change it later. So I hope it makes sense. That's how it works generally for every app on the iPhone. So I really hope I can help you. Let me know if anything just went wrong, so perhaps I can make an updated video about it. But that's it for me, and I'll see you later.